Earlier today, I was chatting with one of my partners that I run an agency with. Now, for context, if you want to partner with me, click below. For the rest of you, keep watching. Let me give you some value. And he was asking me, Stefan, how would you go about getting people to believe you on a cold call? Because I'd given him a script and he was saying something that wasn't exactly entirely true, and people were asking him like, oh, can you show me proof for the people you work with? Can you show me case studies, proof, etc.? And he didn't have that because he was saying something that wasn't quite entirely true because he was using a different script from somebody else. And I said, hey man, it doesn't matter, right? And I try to explain to him that it doesn't matter what you say. You could tell somebody you work with 1 million people, right? You could tell somebody you work with one person. You could tell somebody you work with 1 billion people. You could tell somebody that you work with the top person in your niche. You could tell somebody that you've worked with over 400 plus clients and they've all been happy, right? Anybody can say anything. Anything, right? And especially on cold calls, anyone can make anything up. And so what separates the people who are telling the truth from the people who aren't telling the truth? Because fundamentally, they can both say the same thing. They can both say, hey, we work with 50 realtors across the US. On average, they close 2 deals in the first 67 days. Anyone can say that. And so what makes somebody believe one person as opposed to questioning the other person? And it boils down to really one thing, which is the way you say it. And when I say the way you say it, I don't just mean like, oh, how you say the words, right? But what I mean is your cadence. It's your tonality. It's your conviction. It's your certainty. It is the way you say the words that make people believe you, not the words you say. Because anyone out there in the world can say, oh yeah, I work with 1 million realtors. But very few people will believe that, because unless you actually have worked with 1 million realtors, you probably won't sound like you have worked with 1 million realtors. Not to mention, probably no one has worked with 1 million realtors. And so if you want people to start to believe you on the cold call, or in your sales pitch, or in your telemarketing, or in your YouTube videos, or in whatever it is that you may be doing, first off, just tell the truth. Right? Because if you tell the truth, it's a lot easier. You don't fumble as much. You don't stumble and go, That's why, for context, if you've watched any of my YouTube videos, I've never made a single cut. I've never edited my videos, maybe like a couple way back in the day, but like, I don't cut my videos. I don't pause. It doesn't matter. And why? Well, 1, because I'm okay at talking, but 2, because I just speak from experience. I don't share things I haven't done. I share things that I have done, which makes me not have to read off a script of, hey guys, today, and like, I don't have to do that. Why? Because I'm just talking from my own experience, which is also why I'm able to come on here and be so passionate and so energetic, and sometimes speak way too fast for some of you. They always complain about in the comments below. I read your comments, all of them. Okay. And so the point I'm making is that if you want people to believe you, you have to. It's not about the script. It's not about the words, right? You can say whatever you want. You could say you work with 1,000 people. You could say you work with 1 person. It doesn't matter what you say. What matters is how you say it, right? And if you come across projecting uncertainty, if you come across stuttering and pausing and umming and ahhing in a awkward way, because for context, there is people in normal conversation stutter and and ah. As a matter of fact, in some of my scripts, I will intentionally write in certain pauses and ums and ahs to make it sound more natural. But the thing is, instead of having to do that in the first place, if you just share what is already true and you say it with conviction, you say it with certainty, people will believe you. And the number one thing that I always talk about with all the guys that I've partnered up with the teams I've trained, right, with anyone I've ever taught cold calling to, it's not about the script. The script actually does not matter. Like it literally doesn't matter. And just to really, really hit this point home for you, imagine if right now I gave you Kevin Hart's script and you went on stage in front of 1,000 people and had to read his script and make people laugh. Do you think that they would laugh? Well, I would argue maybe they actually would, but not for the right reasons. Not because they thought you were funny. They would laugh because they think you sound so absolutely ridiculous that they're laughing at you for how stupid you are. Right? And so the point is, it's not the script that makes the person good. It's the person that makes the script good. Which is why you can watch videos of everyone giving you their script and you'll still go try it and it won't work for you. Why? Because that script doesn't work for you, because you don't make the script work well. The script, the words you say are not what books somebody in. Right? I once had my team use an Indian accent to cold call, and they still booked appointments. Right? I myself have cold called people saying the weirdest things and will still book appointments. I've actually seen a guy who will cold call and intentionally say random words throughout the conversation to just be weird, and still book appointments. Why? Because that's not about the words you say. It doesn't matter. It's about how you say those words. It's about the certainty in your voice. Especially when calling, there's only one thing you have for you, and it's your tonality. It's how you sound. Right? That's all the person is going off of. And so if you say, yeah, we work with 20 realtors across the U.S. and we make them money, see ya. Even if it's true, see ya, they won't believe it. Right? But if you're like, yeah, we work with like, I don't know, like 19 realtors across the U.S. now, not doing anything crazy for them, right? They're not becoming millionaires overnight, but just getting them an extra couple deals on the side of what they're already doing. I guess, do you have room to take on a couple more deals, or are you kind of full? Like, do you notice even I started on purpose to take on? That was on purpose, right? Because that's how people normally talk. It's normal, right? And it sounds normal when you're saying like, yeah, I think it's like 19 realtors now. Right? It just sounds more natural. It doesn't sound so staged. We work with 20 realtors across the United States of America. Right? It just sounds too perfect. It doesn't sound like someone actually having a conversation. And so if you want more people to start to believe you, start to say things that don't sound so perfect. Start to talk in a way where you sound more human, but also talk with conviction. Right? If you're telling someone, yeah, we work with 20 realtors, yeah, we do that. Doesn't believe you. Yeah, I think we work with like 20 realtors now, something like that. Like who are you more likely to believe? Even though fundamentally they both say the same thing. Who are you more likely to believe? Well, you and I both know. Okay? And so the tip of the day that I will give to you is make sure that when you're dialing that you're focusing on how you say the things. Okay. Now, for context, if you're an agency owner and you want to partner with me on a rev share basis to scale, there's a button below. You can chat and talk to me on a personal calendar. Click that button to talk. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.